Our top story, massive pressure seems to be building on Maharashtra Minister Eknath Khadse on two fronts, in fact. Number one, on the Daud call controversy, and then secondly, on the land grab matter. The report suggests that there is a huge tide against the State Revenue Minister after India Today exposed his alleged links to Daud Ibrahim and multi-crore land scam in Pune. While the Congress and the NCP have been targeting him, reports now suggest that there is deep embarrassment in the BJP as well. While RSS has already come out in the open against Khadse, pressure is now building in the BJP to show him the door. BJP sources are confirming that action is likely against Eknath Khadse. One group of the party still believes that it is a result of infighting within the party. Party General Secretary and Maharashtra in charge, Saroj Pandey, met Eknath Khadse 3 days back and heard his side of the story. Saroj Pandey has already briefed Amit Shah on the matter on phone. Let's quickly go across to Brijesh Pandey. Brijesh, such a usual response at this moment where internally there is a view within the party that this is a direct fallout of a feud, intra-party feud.
Well, I think more than intra-party feud, what Eknath Khadse and the related controversy is doing for the BJP is that, it is negating the very fact which they were tom-tomming about during their 2-year celebration that, BJP has eradicated corruption in a major way, which was the hallmark of, which was the legacy and hallmark of UPA government, UPA 1 and UPA 2. But now what is happening is that there is a deep divide within the party, and a major section of party as well as RSS feels that what Eknath Khadse and the kind of controversy is embroiled in, it would be legitimate if he goes ahead and submits his resignation to save the party from embarrassment. What we are getting to know is that there has been a report sought from the Maharashtra unit of the BJP, and very soon, this is what has been conveyed to us by the top leadership almost 5-6 days back, that very soon, once the tin dies down, there will be a decisive action because Eknath Khadse continues is embarrassing the party deeply. Sanket?
Absolutely. Thanks very much, Brijesh Pandey, for joining us with all the latest. At this moment, we've also got TV Today Network Managing Editor Rahul Kamal with us. Rahul, there's a very strong possibility now, as you break the story here, where there is a section which feels that this is an intra-party feud. But apart from that, are these allegations not strong enough to dent the image of the BJP?
What we've gathered, Sanket, is that at the highest levels in the Bharatiya Janata Party, an effort is being made to assess the charges against Eknath Khadse and to see what action must be taken against the Maharashtra minister, and it's not looking good for Khadse. We've just heard Ram Madhav tell us on record that the concerned people are examining these charges. We've heard Satyapal Singh, who's a former police commissioner from Mumbai, who's now a BJP MP. He's come on record saying Khadse has raised charges when he was the leader of the opposition. Now that charges are leveled against him, action must be taken. These are official voices, but what we are hearing also from our sources in the BJP is from President Amit Shah downwards, an effort is being made to see what action needs to be taken. What is holding back action is the perception that this could potentially be down to a factional feud. But the reality is that the mountain of evidence against Khadse is growing stronger. Expose number 8, which was aired on India Today last night, showed how Khadse virtually browbeat a Pune police official, forced him to file a false FIR against a local builder, despite the police officer telling him that this case had no merit. For 1 year, he was made to investigate that bogus case, and ultimately the builder had to be given a clean chit by the police. We've also seen before this a series of exposés which reveal how Khadse usurped government land. Now, this is not something that's going down well. What seems to have taken the story slightly out of the hands of the BJP is that the veterans at Nagpur have now got involved. This matter is being discussed at Chakhas. This matter is being discussed in meetings over the phone amongst RSS veterans, and they are upset with the fact that this is hurting the BJP's image. They realize that Khadse and Fadnavis don't get along, but they're saying forget factional fights, forget the election on the 10th. There's an MLC election in which Khadse's role is crucial. Their concern is that the Sangh's image is being harmed. Their concern is, there's something very interesting. A very senior Sangh leader told me this morning. He says, Sanket, can you hear me?
Go on, Rahul.
Sanket, he said that pehle hum kehte the ki, basically to make the point that earlier it was about integrity and the level of integrity you have. And that's the difference between the BJP and the Congress. Now it is about the level of disintegrity or the lack of integrity which is being debated. पहले हम लोग तुलना करते थे कि कैसे हम लोगों में सिद्धांत हैं. Now it's about who's less corrupt, who's less immoral, and he says that can't be the concern.
Absolutely. Rahul Kamal, many thanks for joining us. So there is a great degree of introspection that is going on in the RSS. RSS is forcing the BJP to do that introspection also. In the meanwhile, we have the BJP deeply divided on what should be the political future of this man on your screen right now, who once very infamously told India Today cameras, an India Today correspondent, that he's a famous man and that is why he's attracting so much controversy. Now, BJP MP Satyapal Singh has now called for Khatse to step down. Pressure is mounting. He says Khatse must stick true to his own ideals because the minister used to ask for resignations on corruption issues. So now it's time he should take the decision on his own fate.
हमारी पार्टी इस विषय में बिल्कुल जीरो टॉलरेंस रखती है और जिस प्रकार से श्री एकनाथ खड़से का जो व्यवहार रहा है, जिस प्रकार से मीडिया में उजागर हुआ है, वो निश्चित रूप से संशय के घेरे में आ गए हैं, संशय के बादलों से गिर गए हैं. ये पार्टी निश्चित रूप से इसमें कोई ठोस निर्णय लेगी. और जहां तक श्री एकनाथ खड़से का सवाल है, कोई पार्टी के बहुत ही वरिष्ठ नेता रहे हैं, हमारी बहुत लंबे समय तक हमारी पार्टी में ओपोजिशन लीडर रहे हैं. इस प्रकार की वो डिमांड करते रहे. अगर किसी के विरुद्ध इस प्रकार के करप्शन के एंगल लगे या कुछ उसके लगे हैं, उन्होंने खुद इस प्रकार की डिमांड की है. मुझे लगता है उन्हें खुद अपने अंदर झांक करके निर्णय लेना चाहिए.
Now joins us on the phone line with all the latest. Sahil, there is definitely a voice within the BJP which feels that Mr. Eknath Khatse, for the sake of the party, must go.
Absolutely, and in fact, second, I would like to add one more thing. Satyapal Singh is not merely a member of parliament of BJP, but he was also police commissioner of Mumbai when he decided to leave the force and contest on BJP ticket. So he has served a very long term in Maharashtra police. He knows Khatse very well. He had served with him when Khatse was a minister in 1995. He had served with him when Khatse was the leader of opposition. So his observation is quite accurate that when Eknath Khatse was the leader of opposition in Maharashtra Assembly, he used to demand resignations of the ministers whenever there used to be any allegation against them. Now the time has come that when allegations are being made against Eknath Khatse, he should follow the suit. That's what Satyapal Singh is saying, which clearly shows that what is there in party's mind, which Eknath Khatse and his supporters are unable to understand. Right now, what we are hearing is that Eknath Khatse is in Jalgaon. He will be there for 2 more days. Devendra Fadnavis will be traveling to Delhi, though he is traveling for the Skill Development Summit. But it's likely that he might meet other BJP leaders as well, which is not yet confirmed. But everyone is keeping a close watch on the situation. People have been briefed in Delhi. So we'll have to wait what action now being taken against Eknath Khatse on this regard.
All right. So Khatse's days could be numbered at this moment, where there is not just the opposition, but also the BJP. Now we heard Satyapal Singh. BJP itself is basically saying that he must resign based on the principles he has set. And number 2, the RSS has also now stepped in. Huge political war breaking out over the issue of opposition parties demanding that Khatse be removed from the Maharashtra government. But the BJP seems to be maintaining, the central leadership that is, seems to be maintaining a stoic silence.
If Minister Eknath Rao Khatse had been on the back foot as a result of India Today's relentless reports, his days as a Mahamantri could be truly numbered now. Because after the harsh glare of his chief minister, his party president and even the country's home minister, Minister Khatse is now in the bad books of the Sangh itself. RSS ideologue Rakesh Sinha has tweeted saying Khatse must resign, that there cannot be double standards in transparent and honest politics. It is now clear that the RSS is deeply upset with the allegations against the minister, a situation that basically clears the decks for his potential sacking as a Maharashtra minister. It also doesn't help Khatse. The Maharashtra's most famous crusader, Anna Hazare, has also decided to campaign against the revenue minister.
तुम्ही काल पत्र लिहिलंय
India Today's relentless coverage has ensured that the once powerful minister is now in the most precarious position of his career.
The state BJP president sat down with Khatse and Fadnavis and they told him that what you've done is very difficult to justify. Khatse at that time made an offer, I will give up my land if you want me to, I'm prepared to give this up. But that can't fly because once you've acted in a corrupt fashion, you can't take back that corruption. That is not okay.
The only real question now is, when does the axe fall? With Sal Joshi in Mumbai and Rahul Kanwal in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now we tell you about the life and times of Mr. Eknath Khatse. He went back to his constituency and he was roaring like a lion, almost trying to brazen it out. Embattled Maharashtra Revenue Minister Eknath Khatse is alleged to have bought government land in Bosari in Pune at 1/6 its original price. A few days ago, at a rally in his constituency Jalgaon, Khatse had dared anyone to produce proof of his illegality. India Today's relentless investigation has blown apart Khatse's defense. Now, he had filed a complaint against Hemant Gawande, the whistleblower who had uncovered the alleged Khatse land grab, and India Today has now tracked down the police officer who was forced to file a complaint. The police officer says that there was immense pressure on him from the minister to implicate Hemant Gawande. This is an India Today special investigation.
He's the Maharashtra minister in a whirlpool of controversy. From alleged phone calls from India's most wanted terrorist to misuse of his position to benefit his family. Eknath Khatse couldn't possibly ask for more turbulent times. But it's the land scam controversy that has cornered him beyond anything else. A controversy that exploded because of this man, Hemant Gawande, who raised the red flag on Minister Khatse's alleged land grab. Not only has Minister Khatse lashed out at the whistleblower,
ज्या हेमंत गावंडेंनी ही जमीन बेकायदेशीर खरेदी केली असा आरोप केलेला आहे, त्या हेमंत गावंडेंनी बनावट कागदपत्राच्या आधारावर पुण्याच्या कृषी महाविद्यालयाची जमीन हडप करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आणि ह्या संदर्भामध्ये बोगस डॉक्युमेंट तयार केले. त्यामध्ये जिल्हाधिकारी पुणे यांच्याकडे अपील झालं. जिल्हाधिकाऱ्यांनी या संदर्भामध्ये त्याचा हा व्यवहार रद्द केला.
but there's strong evidence now that he literally went after him, misusing state power to intimidate and silence the man who sought to expose him. A veritable bomb has now dropped that could shatter Minister Khatse's foothold in government. The whistleblower Hemant Gawande has furnished a page he says is from the Pune police diary, which mentions that a police inspector had been pressurized by Minister Khatse to register a case against the whistleblower. Explosive as this was, since a piece of unverified paper couldn't be conclusive, we decided to get in touch directly with the police inspector who had made the alarming note about Minister Khatse in that police diary. As it turned out, it was Hiraman Shirsat's last day in uniform after 38 years of service. We met him in his cabin and we got straight to the point. His explosive noting.
पहली बार हमने एक इंस्पेक्टर देखा जो अपने मंत्री के खिलाफ ही पहली बार करने का क्या सवाल है. आप जेल में जाएंगे? नहीं, बिल्कुल वो गलत है ना. ऐसा नहीं कि मंत्री ऐसा फोर्स नहीं कर सकते, दबाव नहीं डाल सकते. हम क्यों बोल सकते हैं सर? जो बोला वो लिखा. सर क्या कर सकता है उसका रूल रेगुलेशन. मैं मैगजीन से हूँ सर, इंडिया टुडे मैगजीन से. बराबर. वो क्या कर सकता है उसका रूल रेगुलेशन. अपन क्यों बोले उसको ऐसा मत बोलो, ऐसा मत करो. बिल्कुल जो बात किया वो लिखा है मैंने और सब डिपार्टमेंट को लिख के दिया मैंने. उसने मेरे पास कंप्लेंट देने के लिए बोला है, मेरे को जानकारी दे दो. तो सच सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं उसमें. मतलब सब वरिष्ठ अधिकारी थे मीटिंग में, सबके सामने बोला है, अंधेरे में नहीं बोला है. ऑल डिपार्टमेंट के हेड ऑफ मीटिंग का ये अपनी खुशी के
In case you're in disbelief, let's summarize that for you. What you just heard is a police inspector confirming that Minister Khadse summoned all police officers of Pune city to a guest house and then pressurized them. But Inspector Shirsat refused.
तो केस स्टार्टिंग में सर आप ही के पास आया था ये सबसे पहले, तो आपको भी सीधा खड़गे साहब ने फोन किया कि रजिस्टर करो या नहीं करो?
मेरे को डरने के सवाल ही नहीं ना, मैं तो उधर सामने बोला उसको रजिस्टर होता नहीं, उसको गुस्सा है, गुस्सा आने के बाद उसने बोला मेरा अधिकार है तो मैं कैसा करवाता हूँ, तो कृषि को बोला दाखिल करो, मैंने लिख दिया ना, इसमें केस नहीं होता.
Minister Khadse allegedly flew into a rage, threatening to take the case into his own hands and get the agricultural department involved.
वरिष्ठ अधिकारी भी कुछ बोला नहीं, क्यों बोलेंगे? जब मिनिस्टर बोल रहा है करो तो क्यों? हमने तो बोला था होता नहीं ऑफेंस, पुलिस ने बोला ऑफेंस होता नहीं, हम नहीं करेंगे ऑफेंस. उसने फिर उनको बोला ऑफेंस रजिस्टर करो तुम, वो आए तो हम क्यों छोड़े?
हाँ बिल्कुल. उनको किनको बोला?
कृषि वाले को बोला तुम जाके कंप्लेंट दो ना, पुलिस नहीं करता तो.
अच्छा कमाल है.
ये बहुत बुरा लगता है, हमें क्या करने के
नौकरी करनी है अपना, ठीक है.
उसका इंक्वायरी चल रही है ना.
For all the inspector's heroism, the Pune police did in fact register a case against Minister Khadse's enemy Hemant Kawande on the 31st of January last year, finding nothing so far against the whistleblower. The question now is, can Minister Khadse survive this fresh charge of misusing power to silence an inconvenient voice? With Harish Sharma and Pankaj Khelkar in Pune, this is India Today's special investigation team.
Only this morning we got a reaction from BJP MP Satpal Singh, but before that, no senior BJP leader, either from the state or from the centre, is ready to speak on this controversy. BJP seems to be extremely tight-lipped. The minister, amidst this controversy, is throwing a huge tantrum. He's apparently told the party that there are several corporators who will break away if he is made to resign.
Cornered from all sides and left to his own defences, Eknath Khadse is trying his best to save his precarious position in the Maharashtra government by resorting now to pressure tactics. 17 BJP councillors from Khadse's constituency Jalgaon have now threatened to resign en masse. The councillors are unhappy with Maharashtra BJP's lack of support to the Maharashtra Revenue Minister. 17 MLCs are expected to meet Maharashtra BJP President Rao Sahib Danve on Thursday to register their protest.
एकनाथ राव जी खड़से साहब, इन पे जो आरोप हो रहे हैं वो बिन बुड़ के आरोप हो रहे हैं. अगर एकनाथ राव जी खड़से साहब के पीछे पार्टी खड़ी नहीं हुई तो पूरे जिले में हम आंदोलन कर रहे हैं.
उन पर जो आरोप है उस आरोप में अभी तक कोर्ट में कोई साबित नहीं हुए, इसलिए जब ये आरोप साबित होंगे जब उस पे हम चर्चा करेंगे.
While his supporters are rallying behind the embattled Maharashtra Revenue Minister, the opposition has sharpened its attack, demanding that Eknath Khadse must go.
हमारे मुख्यमंत्री ने एक वन विंडो सिस्टम निकाली क्लीन चिट देने की, तो ये आरोप लेकिन इतने गंभीर है तो उनको राजीनामा, उनको इस्तीफा देने के बजाय उनको मंत्रिमंडल से तुरंत बर्तरफ करना चाहिए.
I don't know what the chief minister is waiting for. It is shocking that a revenue minister can actually pick up political battles where he can pressurize police stations which are supposed to be under the home department. They're supposed to be under Devendra Fadnavis.
It's clear that Khadse has lost support within the BJP, with even the top leadership admitting that charges against him are very grave. The question is, will engineering a mutiny help Eknath Khadse ride the storm, or is the minister's time completely up? With Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.